quantum leap, teleportation technology enables human settlement on Mars. In the year 2065, humanity had finally achieved the ability to harness the power of quantum mechanics for practical applications. One of the most exciting breakthroughs was the ability to teleport objects across vast distances instantly. The first application of this technology was in the field of space exploration. A team of astronauts had been sent to Mars to establish the first permanent settlement on the Red Planet. However, the journey was long and dangerous, and it would take several months for the astronauts to arrive. To speed up the process, the scientists on Earth developed a new method of teleportation that would allow them to send supplies and equipment to Mars instantly. The process involved encoding the object's quantum state and then transmitting that state to a receiver on Mars, which would then recreate the object using the encoded information. The first test was a resounding success, and the team on Mars received a shipment of supplies and equipment in a matter of seconds. Emboldened by this success, the scientists on Earth decided to take things a step further. They developed a new method of teleportation that would allow them to send humans to Mars instantly. The process involved encoding the quantum state of a human being and then transmitting that state to a receiver on Mars, which would then recreate the person using the encoded information. The first volunteer for this experiment was a young astronaut named Emily. She had trained for years for this moment, and she was excited to be the first human to set foot on Mars. She stepped into the teleportation chamber, and the scientists on Earth began the encoding process. As they watched the quantum state of Emily being transmitted across the vast expanse of space, they held their breath. Finally, the transmission was complete, and the receiver on Mars began the process of recreating Emily. Seconds later, Emily appeared in the receiver chamber on Mars, alive and well. She looked around in amazement as the scientists on Mars cheered and applauded her arrival. Over the next few months, more and more people were teleported to Mars, and the settlement grew larger every day. It was an incredible feat of engineering and science, made possible by the power of quantum mechanics. As Emily looked out over the barren, rocky landscape of Mars, she couldn't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder at the possibilities that lay ahead. The future was bright, and the universe was full of endless possibilities.